Welcome to YouTube tutorial, guys. This is our third tutorial on web scraping. So here we're just going to use uh, the thing, that is we're going to scrape between some words, the start position and end position. So for this example we need to save this file. We need to save this file as example03. Then we just on previous chapter we used this and we have demonstrated this curl gate. You can get the knowledge how to use and what is the purpose of this code. So from now I will use another function, that is function scrape between, and it will have three parameter, that will be item, start and end. So I'm just writing some code and I will explain about it later. So now for this function we have used the item is going to be the page, and we will use another parameter we'll use to start from the string and end with the string. So for this, if start position is not found, which is false, we will return false, and in both cases if end position not found, we will return false. And if start position and end position we found, then we will use the substring start, as we will concatenate, or we can use the plus method to add start position, which we will get from here, and we will get the length of start, which is this one, the string length of this, and we will add this to this. Then we will return the substring method, that is item, the substring start, which is this one, and this end position minus substring start, and we will get the substr, this thing, which we will get inside of start string and end string. Then we need to use it for this, that is India study channel.com. So at first we need to echo out the page if this works or not. So reload, go to example 3, and I think it's not working because somewhere I have made some mistakes. This one false, else. Okay, the mistakes I've made, I need to use another if after the else, because we have used this condition, so we need to add the if statement again. So I think it should work. Reload. Okay, it will take some time. So guys, you can see that we have this page right now, the India study channel, and if I go visit the source, I can get this source page. So what I'm trying to do is I need to get the thing, that is, you can say, let's say I'm just going to take this first string, this one. This means I just need to see this string. So the first string should be this one. Sorry, copy this, and inside the function we need to get the analytic, we need to make it analytic id and scrape between the item is our page, which is a string, then the start will be this one, Google Ad Client, and end string should be this one. And let's make some changes to here. Okay, so we have this step between, which is this one, and now we are going to echo out the analytic item. So let's refresh. So you can see that we have this CA pub 7317, this analytic item. So you can get lots of things with this step between to get your exact data from start position and end position. So this is our end of tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe my channel, you can press the subscribe button, and if you like this video, you can press the like